Well, I just had a call from Neil on full moon saying that there's a chance, a pretty good chance, that I'll be asked to move from my current location. Ooh, and they're off. Oh, I see, they can paddle. Bit of a, yeah, it's fluky. You'd have to say these guys are leading at the moment. How cool is this? Wow, they didn't miss my forestay by much there. Look at those guys go out there. Oh no, they've sunk. Uh-oh, they've got their poles stuck out there. And Saoirse is right in the way. Shit. Now they're in trouble. Look out, mate! Look, 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 look! This is pretty full. Mate, go that way. Look how close they are. Well, that was pretty full on. Whoa. Anyway, they're almost back at shore. I know there's something going on here with this one. I don't know what's happening with these guys. Problem with the tow line. Look how fast he's going. He should take up the slack first before he powers up. But that's a lot of weight. Obviously, you've got to drag through the water. Wow, they're going out again. They've got them upright and empty. That's insane. So they've been tangled up, towed back to shore, they've emptied the boats, and they're off again. Oh, here comes the winner of the first fleet, or the leader, I should say. And these guys are just trying to get off the start line. So these guys will get the hooter. There was no hooter though. I wonder what's going on there. Unless they're retiring. Oh, I missed the finish again. We've got these two boats which are pretty close. So we have a different winner. Different winner for this race. We've got a cheer squad there that's pretty happy. And there's first place of the last race in third place this time. And second place is determined, they want to get there. Yep, they're going to do their second place, I would say. Although third place is making a bit of a last-ditched effort. But no, second place is secure. They're happy. Third place not far behind. Third place, they are very happy. And here comes fourth and fifth. Oh, and sixth. Who are coming through, but it's so fickle in here. Obviously very challenging. Here we go, there's fourth place. Anyway, close racing for that one. They're obviously very happy. Cool racing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth. That was a bit of a closer race, that one actually. Wow, here's the second fleet. This is a close. I wonder if that's the winner. I'd say that's the winner. And a very close finish here, look at this. Between the black sail and the yellow. They got a bit of a puff of wind there. Oh, they're all paddling like crazy. This is going to be close. This is going to be super close. Oh yeah, the black boat's just going to get them. That was close. I'd say that's the racing for the day, I think. Yeah, there's the two boats that were tangled. Still racing. They're looking pretty close. So it'll be interesting to see who wins out of those two. Not sure what's going on here, whether maybe this is another race, perhaps. No, surely not. Okay, we have a third race. And they're shifting the finish line. There are only 10 boats lined up here for this start from a total of... Looks like they're almost ready to go. 15 boats from the two fleets, which indicates to me that maybe they selected the top 10 from the previous racing to form a fleet of 10 for the final race of this series. That's my guess at least. Possible this might be a much shorter race perhaps. Alright, here they go. The wind has definitely swung a bit. That's okay, this is all in. Oh wow, there's still breeze out here. They're so cool. Alright, the wind is sweeping across the course. Different breeze at different times. Oh, they just jibed. How cool's that, eh? Nice view. Some got caught out with the breeze. Oh yeah, they've got a good breeze out there. You can see their technique. They roll the paddle, the oar, it seems. Wow, but the rig must be very nicely balanced, because it doesn't seem to take much to steer it when they're going at their best. Awesome. Okay. Oh, it looks like the red sail's in front, is it? Did he get past him? Wow, he must have had an issue down the bottom there or something. Anyway, I'm not sure, but this could be the final leg of the third race. Third and probably last race, I would say. It certainly seems like an extra long one. Oh, here we go, they're on their final tack home. So they hadn't got past them as I thought. In fact, they're still holding quite a lead. They are so fast, these boats. They have them flying. And here come the leaders. I will get this finish this time, although I'm not in line with it anymore. They've taken it in a little bit closer to the beach. That's the finish line. The new finish line. Well, there's still quite a spectator fleet in there. Would have been a good day to fly the drone for this. So they go upwind pretty well, actually. But they've got quite a lead on the rest of the fleet. Whoa. Oh yeah, they're paddling. So that must be a big part of it. Look at them paddling. So I think what's happening here is they understand from previous races that in this bay, with the very shifty conditions, that the race is not over until it's over. So they are doing everything to make sure that they maintain their lead and win this race. And I think if they win, they've probably won the regatta. I don't know where to go to find the results, actually, which would be interesting to see the official results of all of these races. But these guys, I would say, are the overall champions for this leg of the Yole series. Here they go, little puff. Oh, they're getting the cheers. They're out to finish. They should get the hooter any second. They are happy. They are very happy. Bit of a close one happening here. Oh, the one with the black sail, they're coming on the inside here. Well, they've got their second place, but oh, this one's going to get third, I think. Oh, this is going to be a close one. Oh, this is close. Oh, the yellow sail's got a bit of a puff happening. Oh, wow, now they could get it. That's so cool. Oh, yeah, the black sail got it. These guys weren't too far behind either. Wow, they're physical boats. Oh, there's one here. Didn't see them. They've taken a slightly different tack. Oh, so they do move the poles from side to side. And here we get to see the oar/rudder technique. They have a T at the end of the oar, so there's one person rotating that, almost like a propeller, and the other two are pulling from side to side, like a rowing technique. And the two combined obviously propel the boat forward. That's pretty cool, eh? They're pretty safe with their position. But they do have to tack. Wow, and the shifty stuff. So hard. Nicely done, guys. Alright, so that's it for the day. Nice entertainment for a Sunday. in Forte de France. So who's going to get who here? Blue or orange? And are they going to stay away from me? That's a good question. Paddle, 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 guys. There we go. They're going to get a little bit of a gust here. They might be okay, maybe. Oh no, I think the blue one's going to get them. Yeah, they're at a better angle. Could be anybody's race here. Bad timing. The battery died on the camera. But fortunately, I still had the mic running, and we get to find out who won between the orange and the blue sail. Who do you think between the blue and the orange got it? Close race. The blue got them. Well, thanks again for watching, guys. That was a really cool experience getting to see the Yoles racing at that level. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and if you've got any Yole sailing experiences to share, leave us a comment.